Ever wondered what school is and how it works? So in today's video, we're going to talk about it. Skool is an all-in-one online platform built for communities, courses, and coaching. It combines what you normally need several tools for, like Facebook groups, Discord, and online course platforms, into one simple distraction-free place. Inside Skool, each community has three main parts: a community feed, a classroom, and a calendar of events, even live calls or challenges. Members can earn points participating, posting, commenting, or completing lessons, making learning more fun and engaging through gamification. To get started, simply join a group or create one. Set up your classroom, invite members, and start building your community all in one place. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!